Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle comes in silver metallic paint with alloy rims and a 3.6 liter VVT engine. Now on to the interior of the Caravan. We'll take a look at a few of the driver's features. Starting off with our door panel, we can see our two-tone tan and black. We also have our chrome door handle, our rear window fold-outs, lock and unlock, rear window lock, and our power window controls. In front of that, our power mirror adjustment with joystick, speaker down below, as well as storage. And on the side of the seat, we have our power adjustable seats and power lumbar support adjustment. Moving off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our daytime running light switch and our interior lighting dimmer switch. Our gauge cluster. Steering wheel has our cruise control. We also have our voice recognition and voice commands and phone pickup. Steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. Our gear select stalk, radio, auxiliary input. Below that we have our climate controls. We also have our rear climate controls and dual zone. Economy mode, hazards, our power outlet on and off, as well as our traction control. Our two 12-volt charging ports down below with our cover, two cup holders, and coin holder and extra storage in the middle area. We also have armrests for driver and passenger up front, and the front seats feature a combination of black leather, gray stitching, and fabric in the lower portion. Above the rearview mirror, we have dome lights, a sunglass holder, and a rear mirror. Back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Dodge badge center caps. We also have our paint matched mirror caps, rear privacy tint. Around to the back, we have our Grand Caravan badging. You can see inside we have plenty of storage room. We also have the option to fold down the rear seats. Now on to the rear interior of the Grand Caravan. We'll take a look at the rear door card, which features our window switch, open and close handle, storage, and our speaker, as well as a cup holder down below. Mesh magazine holders at the back of the front seat. And the rear of the center console, we have our fold-out cup holders and plenty of storage room. We have two rear bucket seats in the back, which are also featured in that combination of black leather and our fabric, and a rear 60/40 split bench, which features our same black leather and fabric, two cup holders off to the side, as well as a speaker. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.